Hey guys, Rick from Rally Sport Direct here, welcoming you to our 2014 Rally Sport Direct Eat, Greet, and Car Meet. We had some friends come out. We have Cobb Tuning, Exetti, Competition Clutch, Hawk Brake Pads, TurboSmart USA, Penrite Oil, Whiteline USA, Competition Clutch, Tomei, Perrin Performance, Cusco, WinMax Brake Pads, and of course Rally Sport Direct. We're out here, we just want to mingle with our customers, show off some new products. All of our vendors brought out some amazing products, amazing cars. I saw some amazing cars in the parking lot. Check it out. We just got done with the raffle. It was an amazing raffle. I wanted to thank all the sponsors for coming out, giving such amazing prizes. I can't believe Exetti gave away an iPad. Cusco gave away a huge gift pack with a cool little GTC 300 car. Tomei gave away a titanium cat bag. There were so many amazing prizes, amazing people, and amazing cars. That's all we wanted to bring you for today. Thanks for checking out our video. Be sure to check out the next one, and we'll see you next time.